Okay, here's Total Commander, and I have in each folder a few JPEG files, photos. Okay, and I want to give the name, let's say October 20, to each of these files, but of course I have to add some numbers also. Okay, and the next folder will be named, the files from this folder will be named October 21 and numbers. This one will be called October 22 and numbers. Okay, so let's start it. Enter in the first folder, select all of them with the star, or it's this one, inverse selection I think. Okay, now go to this one, Ctrl M is the hotkey, multi rename tool. Okay, and that's the file name N, and instead of that one, instead of names, the DSC whatever is currently old name, I want a new name as is shown here, and instead of name I want to use a counter, a number. Okay, so instead of these they will look like these. Now as you can see, we have one number here, two numbers there, and then three numbers. Okay, so let's go here to digits and set it to 3. Okay, now they are all with 3 numbers. So the file with this name will become that one, and so on. Start. All of them were renamed. Close. And I just forgot to add the yes. So once again, select all of them. Ctrl M to go to that multi-rename tool. First of all, type in here October 20 because that was the name here. Okay, let's put a separator line, whatever, and then the counter, and the counter has 3 digits. So instead of that file name, it will become the date plus a counter number that will constantly increase. Okay, start, close. So all of these files in the October 20 folder have October 20 as name plus a number. Okay, and in this case I can select all of them, Ctrl X to get them out and paste them, let's say here, and I know from which date were those files. Now I can delete this folder. Okay, October 21, let's select all the files, the same thing, Ctrl M for multi-rename tool, and instead of October 20, type in 21, the numbers remain 3 numbers, and start and close. Okay, October 21, select all of them with the same star as visible there, Ctrl X to cut them, paste, that is Ctrl V, and October 21 is here. Oh, there are many files. Okay, so I can delete October 21, October 22. Now I have a thumbs file there also. I will delete that one. No videos in this folder. So select all of them with the same star. Ctrl M, October 22, and the same counter. Start, close. Select all of them with the star. Ctrl X to cut them. Backspace to go up, Ctrl V to paste them, and delete. Okay, and in this way I can do all of them. And October 23, escape, star, Ctrl X, backspace, Ctrl V, and so on. Now in this folder I have videos also. So in this case I will delete these thumbs, I don't need that one. I will select, let's say, JPEG files. So press the plus sign on the keyboard on the right side on the numeric keypad. Okay, and select every file with the JPG extension. Okay, and if we go down, we can see that the MP4 files are not selected. Okay, so it will rename only these files. Ctrl M. October, this one was 26, and start and close, plus on the numeric keypad again to select only the JPEGs, Ctrl X to cut them, Ctrl V to paste them, and they're there. Okay, now do not delete the videos. Let's call these videos. Okay, and so on. You can repeat the process for each and every folder.